fantasy for the day. He wanted to know what to say when he's asked what he'd done in the past to someone that he loved endlessly. Now she's gone, so is he. I went to war every morning. I lost my way, but now I'm following what you said in my arm, what I read in the charm that I love durably. Now it's dead and gone, and I am free. Sleep for the daytime, shut my eyes to the sunshine, turn my head away from the noise, bruise and rip decay of childish toys that I love. Arguably all our labor in gone to seed. No, for the evening, we wanted to hold on to the feeling of the stretch in the sun and our breathlessness as we run.